So what do you do when you've got the old masters of film and music in your archive?
We are very privileged today to have with us someone who is a real catch if you can get hold of him. He is none other than Quincy Jones. Does that make you bitter though?
If I allow myself, but it doesn't.
I think our listeners will generally know that the kid's still going strong, Octane 8.
Yes, very strong. Wow, yes.
The four-piece band work under the name D Influence. They're here to tell us what they've been up to, and they just come back from a gig.
Tomorrow we have Wembley Stadium, believe it or not, supporting Michael Jackson. We can't believe it ourselves. That's absolutely true.
They've just been sitting there and you thought, gosh, I think they would really enjoy this. Well, just quite an idea. Why not make a rag? In fact, first and foremost, we're going to make this extraordinary museum. This is how we're going to make it work.
When David uncovered his incredible archive, we knew we had a treasure. But as a software architect, I also saw a massive technical challenge. We had hundreds of hours of historically vital audio. But how could anyone find anything? We needed a system that could understand context and meaning. So we opted for implementing a bespoke solution. The architecture is built on a technology called Retrieval Augmented Generation. It sounds complex, but the concept is rather simple. Instead of just building a database to store the audio, we tried to build an intelligent system that truly understands it. Here's how the system works. First, the pipeline processes the tapes. It transcribes all the audio, identifies who is speaking, and what topics are being discussed. Second, and this is the most crucial part, we take all of this rich information and transform it into vector embeddings. The best way to think of these is as digital fingerprints for meaning. We store all these fingerprints in a special vector database, which acts like a smart library, organized by concepts, not just keywords. Now, a user can ask a complex question like, show me Fela Kuti's thoughts on the term Afrobeat.
Preston, let's hear you answer this one first. What about Afrobeat?
No, I play African music now. I don't call it Afrobeat anymore. I play African music.
But what was Afrobeat then?
It was a gimmick.
The system does not send that question to a generic AI. Instead, it first goes into the vector library, where information is clustered, and then retrieves the actual verified clip from the archive where Fela Kuti is speaking. Only then does it pass that verified text to a large language model. The AI's job is not to invent an answer, but simply to synthesize a clear summary based only on the factual content we just gave it.
What we're trying to present here is a particular way of how Sonic Archive transcends different constituents and different phases, but it's significant enough because it gives us an idea of what's taken place in the past, and we're using that now into basically a RAG using AI and various other modalities to present this archive going into the future where everyone can enjoy it.
And here's the next thing. Aside from the Sonic London archive, we can capture all that data into this, effectively a £50 computer.